What are you asking for your DS games?
These are 3 except for this 2. These are the expensive one.
Oh, okay.
The rest are all $3.
What are those ones? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Now, as you can see, it is dark outside. It's about to be daylight saving, so I'm about to have to break out the flashlight and start picking in the morning again. Now, Benji has been coming with me the last couple mornings, and he actually does a pretty good job of sniffing out some items, and he really likes going through everything and saying what's up to everybody. So I think I'm probably gonna bring him again. But before we go down there, I want to show you guys something that I just got off of Mercari. You can see it behind me. It is this electric drum kit. Now, I grew up playing drums, never really had anywhere to put a giant acoustic set, but I decided to get this electric set. Now, the cool thing about this and the reason why I got it is because this set cost me $140, which it goes for $380 brand new, already a good deal, but the listing had some extra pieces. So there's an extra electric tom right here, there is an extra electric cymbal, and there is an entire thing of cords. Now, the cords alone go for 20 bucks. This tom goes for anywhere between 40 and 60, and this cymbal can go for upwards of $80. So I got this thing for $140, came with all of this stuff, and I'm going to list all of this on eBay for $120. So when it comes down to it, if this sells, this thing only cost me $20. Thought that was pretty cool, and I may be pulling these drums up in a couple episodes to come just to show you guys some of my skills. So let's get down to Kobey's, see what we can find. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, sit. Sit. Benji, sit. Hey, sit. Stay. Hey, what do you got on all the Packer stuff down there? Come here, bud. But yeah, I'm looking at these 2 things, and then you got some Halloween decorations over there too that
the Packer
I'm looking
stuff?
at. Yeah.
Like,
yeah, just that, and then the train.
okay, so like this, $4.
Okay.
Yeah. Give it back.
No, that's okay. Is all the stuff down there is yours too,
Yeah,
right?
all the stuff.
Okay, let me take a look, because I'm looking at just these 2 things, and then there's a couple decorations I wanted to see too. What about that stuff on the table too, the 2 Halloween boxes? Come here, buddy. Come here. Come on.
Take the guy's leg and jaw, you know? Yeah. Go up the,
What?
the guy
What? Come here.
using the little logo. Yeah.
And these 2 things too.
Those are like $2 each.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you want 6 for everything?
Yeah.
Do you have change for a 20?
Yeah.
Cool. Appreciate it, man. Have a good one. Take it easy. What the heck is this thing? Is this all your stuff? Are these all priced?
15.
15?
Yes.
Does it work?
As far as I know.
Yeah. Would you take 10 for it?
No, that's what I paid.
Oh, you need to make a profit, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I gotcha. Okay. What are you asking for your DS games?
These are 3 except for this 2. These are the expensive one.
Oh, okay.
The rest are all $3.
What are those ones?
$45.
45, gotcha.
Yeah. The other ones are $3.
For both of them or a piece?
A piece.
Gotcha.
Yeah, these are all $3. The bag is $1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ringo. Is this all your stuff?
You want all the stuff inside or not?
Nah, I don't need it.
$2?
$2? Okay, I'll see if there's anything else I like too. Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you.
Benji, come.
Work.
Make sure it worked, yeah.
There's a YouTube tutorial as to how it operates.
That's cool.
It's only $35.
Wow,
A new machine from Badge-O-Matic like that is $245.
that's a steal right there. Are these men's or women's, these ones? These are?
I suppose one's wear too. They're wide-footed.
Yeah. Did a dog get to him?
Oh, I
Is that
think
what the little bit on the back is?
the person running with them had a, you know, that part is worn down.
Gotcha. Yeah, these are nice.
Take
Cool.
them for $5.
For $5?
Take them for $5. They're Swiss. Now people have told me how to pronounce that trademark.
Yeah?
It's like we or something.
Something like that, huh? Okay. All right, well, we're going to keep looking around. We might circle back. Thank you. Come on, buddy.
Yes.
Yeah?
I did Ancestry.com about 4 years ago,
Hey, sit.
and
Sit.
it told me that I was
Sit.
67%.
What do you got on your books over here?
Just depends on the book.
What about this one?
10.
$10?
That was a $30 book.
You do 15 for both of them?
Then you see the other one.
Sit down, buddy.
Yeah, okay, I'll do
Okay.
and what
It was only 15 for both?
yeah, right.
There,
What
thank you.
really stopped me from really moving with it
Yeah.
is just my lack of confidence in myself.
What do you have on the Tiger Woods cards?
10 apiece.
10 apiece?
Do both of them for 15. Just want to get rid of stuff.
Yeah. Too bad they aren't autographed, huh?
Oh, shoot. Yeah, I'd be really happy.
Yeah. That's cool.
Three. That's a good price.
What are you asking for the Echoes?
4 apiece.
4 apiece? How many are in here? Is that everything in here or just the Echoes? I'm trying to figure out where the wires are and stuff.
I don't know. So we have 3 Echoes in there.
Okay. You said 4 apiece for those?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take those.
Let me see if this is. If I can take these. Because they're probably gonna go to something.
Yeah.
Back.
I got my own bag too, so I can always put them in there.
Okay, so just grab the Echoes. And
Yeah. I think, does it have all the electrical cords on them too?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah, this one's got that. Here, this would probably be easier if we just unplug these. And then see if the wires kind of untangle, I guess. Here's the 12. Say hi, buddy.
Does this look right?
Yeah, let me see. I'll take a look. Say hi, buddy. Let's see. 1, 2. Let me see. Here's this one.
You have a channel?
I do, yeah.
What's the channel?
It's called San Diego Picker.
Okay.
Yeah, I got some stickers. I'll give you some stickers here in a second. There's only 2 of the cords in there. You can have this one. I don't know what this goes to.
Okay, yeah, no. And
Yeah,
obviously,
there you go.
This.
Cool, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Take care. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. All right, so we just got back from the swap meet, and I'm going to go over everything that we got. But to be honest, I think the reel winner today was Benji. I mean, we couldn't go down an aisle without 3 or 4 people stopping us to ask what kind of dog he was or offer him a treat or something like that. So he definitely had a great time. It's awesome bringing him. As you guys can see, there is a pile of stuff in front of me. The day started off a little slow, and then it kicked into gear, and I started grabbing a ton of stuff for cheap. One of the last things that I got was from a viewer. Actually, they watch all of my videos, so shout out to you. Thank you again for the awesome deal, and I appreciate you watching. I got these 3 Amazon Echo Dots. Now, these are the 2nd generation. These go for about $20, $25 a piece, and I got all 3 of these for $12. The next thing, this is actually for me. As you can see, it is a little golf bag. The guy wanted $2 for this. It had a ton of pens inside and stuff. Don't really need those. I thought about countering at $1, but I buy from that guy all the time, so hopefully he'll remember that for next time. Plus, I really just wanted this to put it on my desk so I can put some pins in it. So another awesome come up for $2. Sometimes you have to just get stuff for yourself. Now, the item that I almost passed on was this set of shoes. As you can see here, it says size 9.5 for 15 bucks. Now, I don't exactly know what the brand is, but I've seen these everywhere. They're extremely popular shoes, especially at the gym, and they're really expensive. I looked them up one time. Like I said, I forgot what the name brand of them is, but it kind of looks like a QU right here. I looked them up one time, almost got a pair, and they were going for $180. So personally, I haven't tried them on just yet, but if they fit good, I might hold on to them. The only issue is that it looks like there's some chew marks back here. I don't know if somebody had a pet, and then there is a hole in the side, but for somebody that knows how to refinish these, it could be useful to them. So I'm gonna look up this make and model and see how much these are going for. I didn't even need to negotiate with the guy. It said 15 bucks on there. He said take them for 5. He clearly was just trying to get rid of stuff. It was a Sunday, so that tends to happen. He then tossed in this pair of kids Asics shoes as a chew toy for my dog, but honestly, I think I can make a small profit off of these, probably list them for $12 or $15 and triple my investment, even if I decide to hold on to these. Now, the next thing that I got was actually a grouping of items. I got this Green Bay Packers Christmas hat, as well as this pewter train collection. I just picked this because I thought it was actually an ornament for a Christmas tree. You guys are going to be seeing this video a little bit later, but we're actually a week away from Halloween, so Christmas is right around the corner. So I wanted to stock up on some items that I know are going to sell come the holidays. This Green Bay Packers NFL Santa Claus hat actually has a $20 sticker on the back. It says Julie's Hallmark Packers Santa hat, so at least this was going for $20. I got this as well as this little train set. Now, this is actually handmade collectibles. I didn't know at the time. I just bought it because the guy said take everything for $6, and like I said, it's almost Halloween, so I wanted to get some decorations for the front. You can see these cool little scarecrow pumpkins, and then this light up sign that says Happy Halloween. He gave me everything for $6, so no way I could pass that up. This Santa Claus hat, I could probably get about 15 bucks on it. You see it says Packers down here, and then you got some mistletoe on the back. You got the logo up here, and then going back to the trains, now this is Green Bay Packers as well. You can see down here, and then you have one that says NFL also. This is going for anywhere between $30 and $40, so automatically, if I even list this for 25 bucks, that doubles or triples my investment. So an awesome come up on those. Next, you guys might know about the Dr. Seuss books. I always purchase a ton of these Dr. Seuss books. I always have a closet full of them because they sell really well. They're, you know, good for buying for $1 or $2 and then turning around and selling them for $15. Now this one on the back, it says US $19.99. Even if I sell just this one for 15 bucks, that makes my money back. And actually I got 2 of them. So the guy originally wanted $10 a piece. I got both of them for $15. And if I sell one, that'll make my money back and then make a nice $15 profit. And finally, right before I left, I came across a set of golf clubs. Now, what I've been doing lately is actually buying the entire set. Instead of trying to piece out some of the clubs, it makes way more sense to just buy the entire set. I can normally save money. This guy today, for example, wanted just one putter for $15, and this entire set cost me only 40 bucks. So even if I piece everything out, go through it, I'm going to make more money that way. Now, this set turns out to be a girl set, which I actually just bought one 2 weeks ago, if you guys remember from the video, and I ended up selling it for $150. Got everything for, I believe, 60 bucks, and I pieced it all out. It had a towel, it had a bag, everything like that. Now, these are Callaway Golf Big Bertha women's irons with a graphite ladies shaft, but I have the entire set. If you look in here, we have, starting with a 5, we got the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pitching wedge, and even goes down to a sand wedge. So that alone could probably fetch me about $150, $180. But then you have a 4 hybrid in here, you have a 5 wood, and then most importantly, you have the Big Bertha driver. This is the only thing that was missing in the last set, is that it did not come with a driver. I'm gonna search through these pockets too. I haven't spent any time looking through these just yet. So I unzipped this first one. There's your driver cover for this club, so that automatically upped the value on just that. The guy wanted $60 for these ones, but he said for me, he'd give them to me for $40, so that was an absolute no-brainer. I'm looking at making probably $200 on this set alone. And the last time I got a bag, I ended up just putting the bag out by my trash can, and it was gone within 30 seconds because I immediately ran back, figured I could toss that up on OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace, and it was gone. So I think I'm gonna hold on to the bag. This time I'm not going to sell this on eBay because they're kind of a hassle to ship, but I should be able to, you know, make maybe $20 or $40, make all of my money back just on the bag. So overall, an awesome day. I'm excited to go through some of this stuff, get the Halloween decorations up, and start listing stuff for the holidays. So if you have not already, be sure to like and subscribe, drop a comment below, and turn on your notifications so you know when I post my next video. Thanks for watching.